Good morning, students. Today we're going to continue with the activity number 4. Okay, but to start this topic, telling the time, I want that you sing with me a beautiful song. This is the clock song, okay? I'm going to play the song and you have to sing with me. Here I have the lyrics of the song, okay? Tick tock, merrily sings the clock. It's time for work, it's time for play, to use the sea throughout the day. Tick tock, merrily sings the clock. Tick tock, merrily sings the clock. It's time for work, it's time for play, so it sings throughout the day. Tick tock, merrily sings the clock. Okay, this is the beautiful song, so you have to practice. I am going to send the link and you have to practice the song, okay? So we're going to continue with the grammar explanation. Here, the idea is that you recognize the different part of the clock. In this place, 12, we say o'clock. Okay, in 6, we say half past. Half past, remember that. Here in the number 3, we say quarter past. And here in night, we say quarter to. In this side of the clock, right side, we have all these parts, we have to say past. Past. This green line, this past. And in the other side of the clock, this orange side, we say to. Remember, past here and to this. In Spanish, past means pasadas las, minutos, tiempo, pasada la hora, y aquí en este to significa para la siguiente hora, minutos que nos faltan para la siguiente hora. También identificamos en nuestro reloj, aparte de o'clock y de el 6, que significa la mitad, tiempos 30 minutos después, ¿sí? Media hora, half, media hora después, identificamos las manecillas del reloj. Tenemos a shorthand, una manecilla que es corta, y tenemos una manecilla que es larga, ¿cierto? Miremoslo aquí en este reloj. Shorthand is this, and long hand, la manito larga, la manecilla larga es esta. In this case, it is 5 o'clock. Decimos el número que indica la hora, 5, y luego decimos en punto. It is 5 o'clock, ¿ok? Pero si nosotros tenemos la manecilla larga en alguno de este lugar, lado derecho de nuestro reloj, siempre vamos a tener que decir esta palabra past. Todo este lugar, todo este lado es para que nosotros lo utilicemos con esa palabra past. Y este otro lado del reloj siempre lo vamos a usar con la palabra to. Past significa minutos, pasada la hora que estábamos hablando, o acá to significa minutos que faltan para la siguiente hora, ¿sí? Entonces, pues esas son como las partes claves que debemos tener en cuenta en nuestro reloj. Asking the time. We can use some question for asking the time, which are given below. What time is it? That is the more usual expression. What time is it? What is the time? Do you have the time? Do you know what time is it? Could you tell me the time, please? Do you happen to have the time? Have you got the right time? What time do you make it? And the corresponding answers, you can give these type of answers. It exactly 8 o'clock. It is about 5:30. It is almost, when you are not sure, it is almost 10 to 10, or just gone a quarter minutes past 3, for example. Sure, it is 3 o'clock. Sorry, I'm not wearing a watch. 2:30 or 2:30. It is 4:20 or it is 20 past 4. It is 10 past 10. The time is 8 o'clock. Okay, those are different possible answers to these questions. Now I'm going to explain the time by using this game. Okay, I'm going to play here, move, and the clock hands are moving, and I say stop, stop clock. Okay, what time is it? It is 8 o'clock. Okay, continue with another example. Move, move, and stop. Stop. Okay, it is a quarter to. Remember this side is 2. A quarter to the next hour 6. A quarter to 6. Decimos aquí que nos hace falta un cuarto, 15 minutos para la siguiente hora. Para la siguiente hora, o sea, sería falta un cuarto para las 6. It is a quarter to 6. Okay, continue, move, move, okay, and then stop. Stop clock. Okay, what time is it? It is 10 past 3. 10 minutes, 10 past 3. Son 10 minutos pasadas las 3. Eso significa las 3:10. Okay, continue with another. Okay, stop, stop clock. Okay, it is 10:30, or you can say it is 10:30, or you can say it is 10:30. Okay, continue with another example and stop. Stop clock. It is 1 o'clock. It is very easy. It's very easy. Stop. Stop. Okay. It is 20 past 7. 20 past 7. Okay. Continue with another example. Stop. Stop my clock. Okay. We have 25 to 12. 25. It is 25 to 12. Okay, and continue with another example. Stop. Okay, it is a quarter past 9. Okay, continue with another. And stop. Stop my clock. Okay, it is 5 past 6. Continue with another example and stop my clock. Okay, in this case we have 10. It is 10 to 5. 10 to 5. 10 minutos para la siguiente hora. 10 to 5. Okay. Continue and stop my clock. Okay, in this case, it is 25 minutes, 25 past 11. 25 past 11. And we finish with this. It is 20 to 4. 20 para las 3, para las 4. 20 para la siguiente hora, para las 4. Okay, Okay, guys, we continue with the activities in your photocopies in your English worksheet. A. What time is it? Match the numbers to make time. You have to match these numbers to create these times. For example, this 12 and 45 and 45, it is 12:45. And then you have to continue matching the numbers to get these times. Draw times on the clocks. 10 to 5, you have to draw here 10 to 5. Here at 2:15, we have different type of clocks, so you have to draw. Vas a dibujar estas horas que te estoy dando acá en estos diferentes tipos de reloj. En esta siguiente actividad es lo mismo, vas a ubicar las manecillas del reloj, la manecilla corta, la manecilla larga, según estas horas que te estoy dando acá. ¿Listo? Luego pasamos a read each clock and write the time. It's the same. You have to read this time and write here. In every single clock, you have to tell me what time is it, okay? And D, at what time, think about yourself and try to answer the following questions. Those are personal questions. Ustedes me van a contestar estas preguntas que son preguntas personales. ¿Cuál es su hora favorita del día? ¿Por qué? ¿A qué hora usted usualmente se levanta? ¿Cuál es la hora en que usted usualmente cena? ¿Cuál es la hora del día que usted detesta más? ¿Cuál es la hora que usted usualmente se va a dormir? ¿Y qué hora es en este momento en que usted está viendo este video? Write what Lina does every day. Look at the clocks and complete the table. Lina's typical day. So you have to look at these clocks and complete the table. It's very easy, this activity. Yes or no, yes, no questions in present simple. The idea is that you have to read this information and correct you have to identify the incorrect information about your favorite star, and you have to complete this table. Okay, remember that the yes no questions in present simple follow this structure. Do, when you have in your sentence the first person, usamos do cuando tenemos en nuestra pregunta primeras personas, do I, do we, do they, do you, y utilizamos does cuando tenemos terceras personas, does he, does she, does it, y luego colocamos nuestro verbo y luego el complemento y el signo de pregunta. Entonces sería, does she live in Florida? No, she doesn't, she lives in New York. Does she work every day in her studio? Yes, she does. She works, okay? The idea is that you have to write here questions, yes, no questions. And you have here the answers. According to these answers, you have to write different yes, no questions. Am I right? Write the name of your partners or family member that you predict do the activity. Then write yes, no questions and ask to that people to compare your predictions. Here in this line you have to write the names of your family members. Aquí en estas líneas vas a colocar los nombres de los miembros de tu familia y les vas a hacer unas preguntas yes, no questions. Entonces, Adriana toma chocolate al desayuno. Does Adriana drink chocolate at breakfast? Y Adriana voy y le pregunto y le confirmo. Le voy y le pregunto que si eso es verdad y si me dice que sí, marco aquí la X. Si me dice que no, la marcaría acá. Y así voy a hacer con todas. ¿Listo? La idea es que escribas los nombres de los miembros de tu familia y les indagues a ellos y tú confirmes tus predicciones, tú confirmes estas preguntas. Todo tiene que ver con la rutina, con las cosas que hacemos a diario. Finally, we have the challenge 4, that is the rainbow clouds.